No, no, on in your profession tab.
Oh.
In your not your profession tab, in the crafting window,
Oh, in the crafting window. Okay.
there's a little default red, it's got red lettering. It says default on it.
Yeah, that's default. It'll show up here in a minute, but yeah, there's a.
Yeah. Just if
Oops.
you ever want to see non TSM, you can do that.
Yep. And if you want to see
Oh,
TSM, you can click back,
yeah.
and
Just
that'll
if you
show up the
didn't
other thing. Yep.
if if you didn't know that.
I did not realize that.
It it took me 2 years to.
Oh, I missed them jumping? What the heck? Alright. Anyway, I'm a bit of a
So,
psycho, I admit.
but yeah, on to what the important thing. In in the groups, in the operations, in sorry, sidetracked by the pretty red buttons. Back, open up TSM again, the
Okay.
normal thing.
Normal TSM. Let me get recount out of the way here. Okay. I'll drag that down a little bit. Ta-da!
None of your crafting groups are assigned. Oh, that's nice that it says that.
Yes, that is nice that it says that.
So, module operations.
Module operations is now up. And I suspect it'll be mailing. Mailing.
No, it will
Duh.
be crafting.
It'll be crafting. Haha. It is crafting. It is.
And
It's gonna be silly.
it is. It is. And
Okay.
we're gonna make a new one, and we're gonna call it blacksmithing or or crafting stuff on Airy Peak.
And okay, so okay, so what do we need to do? I'm in the crafting.
General crafting. Whatever. Like
I have crafting, general settings.
oh, what?
That's module operations right there. Crafting.
So yeah, operations on the left side. Why is it should let you? Oh, click operations. You're on options. Click No, uh, down just a little bit. The green
Oh, the green
operations.
operations. Okay. And then
Yeah,
operation
you're on
name.
the operations tab. There's multiple
Yes.
operations. Operations
Right. Yeah.
everywhere. Clearly.
Clearly. Of course. Okay, so we'll say
Uh, yeah. Sorry. Again, it. I have mine set up to automatically go to the operations and not options. So I've customized my TSM stuff. Sorry.
yes. Just a little bit. Just a little bit. This is a noob version of TSM.
Or maybe that's just where it goes to in 2.10, and I need to update. I don't know. I know some of my tabs
I should say
are
blacksmithing.
different.
Okay, so what we've done is what we're doing is we're setting up a new operation for mailing for my blacksmith. And that's what we're doing. And right now we just put a name for that operation.
No, we already did the mailing. Now we're doing crafting.
Right. Well, we're right. But we're still setting up a name for that crafting.
Yes. So what we're doing right now is we're setting up so that with one click of a button, you'll be able to craft everything profitable.
Right. So, what do we do now?
We with blacksmithing and leatherworking, it can get a little messy with with more than one restock. So I would recommend separating out new and old at some point. So, like, creating a subgroup that has all of your current content gear.
Right, and have the actual old content in a different
and then creating
group.
creating a new operation that for anything that you want to create multiples,
right?
More than one. Other than that, we're just gonna restock one because it'll have you creating like 3 sulfuron hammers and saying you need to spend 40 hours in molten core getting dark iron, you know, hearts of fire, and like get 500 hearts of fire. And no, I don't want to ever have that many hearts of fire.
Right.
So one max restock, and try minimum profit, max parentheses 100 gold, and comma 135% crafting. Try that.
So I want to
or
say
120, 100, either 120%, 130%. I like 135% crafting. I change it around some.
So I want to say max parentheses. Okay, what did I want to say here? I want to say max. What did you just say?
Max 100 gold, comma 130% crafting. Max, comma, space 130% space crafting. Close paren.
Max 130% space crafting. I'll wait for it to come up. That way you can see what I've done. Make sure, proofread it, make sure it's right.
Okay. All right, paren after the first max and delete the second max. Sorry if I repeated myself. I was
It's okay.
stumbling.
It's all right. Not a big deal. And that's if I pick the right symbols. Wait for it to come up again.
And no space after the max. I'm not sure if it matters. Or if there is one. At this resolution, it's hard to tell.
It is hard to tell.
But if you have a space right there, I don't think there is one.
No, there's not one now. And it is accepted in, so.
All right.
Okay, so.
Hey!
Hey! Okay.
Okay, so we have a decent crafting operation, something you can work with and grow from, and there are many more, and you can use the Undermine Journal stuff. You have means and medians that you can throw in there. You can build from this and add in floors and different logical things if you want, where like so what you have here is saying essentially I want to make at least 130% as much as it costs, or 100 gold, whichever's more.
Right.
So, I want to make 100 gold, or if I'm going to make more than that, then I want to make more than that. So, cool. So, great. Yeah. Show me everything that I'm going to make 100 gold on. And it'll do that. And it's not going to show you anything that you're not.
Good.
So
Okay.
now, go to your groups.
In groups.
And click on your professions, the highest level thing.
Yep. I have it clicked on professions.
And just assign that as just your highest level thing for now.
Okay.
For crafting, yes.
Oh, for
Drop
crafting.
down.
So
If you haven't assigned the mailing, if we haven't assigned the mailing thing, we should do that for the blacksmithing specifically. Blacksmithing crafts specifically.
I think I labeled them as shiny head crafting. So I think that
Awesome.
I think that works. Because essentially all crafting's going to go to him there anyway, so I said, why not?
Okay.
Why not? Okay, so if there's not anything else here...
Okay, so now let's test that. So that's why we wanted to be